Hello everyone. Today we will see how to work with date function in Excel. So let's start. This is our data set. Here we can see year, month and day. So what date function does, it takes year, month and day as input and gives a total date. So let's see how it works. Date, open bracket, then select, you have to give the argument of year first, then comma, month, comma, day. So this is how through the date function, it joins year, month, and day together and gives a complete date. By default, Excel follows month, day, and year format. So this the first one is a month, then this is date, and this is year. If you want, you can change the format of this data set. So to format, you have to select the entire data range. Then from home menu, select this icon, go to custom, and from here you can type the format. For example, if you need first, then type then dd, then YYYY. If you want year first, then type YYYY, then then dd. But for now I am canceling this. I am okay with this format. Now we will apply date function on this data set because there are some exceptional values given here. So let's apply first. Select year, comma, month, comma, day, and drag across. So every cell will take their relevant rows. Now I am explaining them. Here we can see it should be year 2018, but it is 2017. Why it is happened? Because the month is 0 here. If the month is 1, it will take January. If the month is 12, it will take December. If the month is 0, still it will take December. So because it went back, 0 means it went back. So it will go 12 and the 2018 will become 2017 and 10 is the day. Now in this data, we can see 2019 month is 12 and day is 0. But here the month was 12 but it went to 11 because of this day, because the day is 0. If the day is 1, it will take 1, but if the day is 0, it will went back, then it will go back, then the December will become November, and because of 0, it will take the last day of November, that is 30. Now in this row, in this cell, we can see 2019 month is 12, but the month is showing 11. It is -1. Because of -1, it went back, then December, so it went to November, and because of -1, it deducted 1 day from the last date, that is 30 minus 1 is equal to 29. Now for this 2019 8 is August, so it should be 8, that is August, but we can see 9 and 4 because it happened because of this day. We know that in August there are 31 days, but here we can see 35 days. So August will complete it with 31 and it will pass to September, and in September there will be extra 4 days, so September 4 2029. In this cell 2020 4, it should be 4, but because of this 3, it went back to, then from April, and it went to March, and from March the last date is 31, and 3 days will be deducted from 31, so 31, 30 and 29, so it will reach to 28. Here 2021, it went to 2022. Why it happened? Because of this month. Because here we can see month is given 13, so it is complete 12 month as a year, so extra 1 year will be added here and extra 1 month will be left. So for that 1 month it will go to January, and 2021 become 2022, and 2020 and 22 is the date. Finally 2022, here we can see 2021. Why it happened? Because of this month. Here we can see that -2 means it will go, it will cut, it will go backward, That is, it will cut December and November and it will reach to October. The day is 10, and because it went back, so 2022 will become 2021. So this is how date function works in Excel. That's all for today. Thank you very much.